What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I know I have not been on YouTube for quite some time now. I'm still just trying to get myself together with this morning sickness, you guys. It's bad out here, okay? By the way, if you see the lighting changing, it's because we have a very cloudy day and the sun is popping in and out, so just don't mind that. And I have like a little red spot right here, and honestly, I don't know why, so just ignore that as well. I got asked the other day to film a eyebrow tutorial, so as you can see, I have one done and one not done, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it on camera. I have a eyebrow tutorial already on my channel, but I did switch up what I do a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my little tips and tricks, and it's going to be a really quick video. I hope you guys are excited for it. If you are, go ahead and subscribe right now and give me a thumbs up. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump into today's video. By the way, I don't have any foundation or anything on, so you can see my circles in my skin. Just ignore that too. So currently I'm using this KOKIE brow pomade, and it's in the color Dark Brunette. I love it. It works so freaking good and lasts forever. I use this super tiny and dense little eyebrow brush. This is by Essence. It isn't dual-ended, so I use a little separate spoolie, but if you have one that has the spoolie on the end, you know, grab that baby. And this hairspray right here is my secret weapon. I love using this for my eyebrows. I actually start off my eyebrows by using this, so let's just get into it. And ignore my nails right now. They're starting to chip and I have a really bad habit of like poking at them, so just ignore that. My brows don't have much on it right now. My brows are pretty full already. I try to take off whatever product I had on there. I'm telling you that brow pomade is like a long-lasting brow pomade. It just sticks on to my hair so well, but pretty much they're pretty bare. So what I like to do is take this little spoolie from this old brow pencil I had, and I coated it with hairspray, and I'm going to just run it through my brow hair. I do like to apply a lot of this hairspray to my brow hair. It just really makes them more full and it catches onto the product really well, and it doesn't make them like super like crunchy or anything like you would think because it's a hairspray, but it just holds everything in place too. I love it. This is like an old school trick using hairspray. I used to do this forever ago, and then I ran out of like a brow gel and I was like, let me bust this baby back out, and I've been using it ever since. So I like to comb them upwards and then kind of flare it out at the end and create the shape I want. Once you create the shape, it's gonna stay in place. Like, you don't even have to worry about it. So however you like your brows to look, just go ahead and start to mold them into that shape. Now I'm gonna take my brow pomade and just lightly coat the brush. So I like to start at the front end of my brow. I used to start at the end, but now I like to start at the front and just create like a stencil for my brow. So I like to go from the front, take it from the middle, and then flare it out at the end. Pretty basic. And I like my eyebrows to be a little bit more longer, so I bring it out a little bit past my actual eyebrow. And then towards the front, I like to just do little hair-like strokes. And I live for like a structured full brow. I don't do natural brows hardly ever. If I want a natural brow, I'll just rock my real eyebrows because they're pretty full on its own already. I don't really do a natural. So that's the bottom. So now we're going to do the top, and it's pretty much the same thing. This is going to be such a quick video, you guys. You have no idea. So now we're just going to kind of go along the shape that we created. And then once, you know, we have it, it looks so good. Once we have it how we want it to look, you just kind of fill in the spaces. And I always do my eyebrows before my foundation. I don't know why, it's just what I do. It just works best for me, but you guys can do whatever you'd like. Lastly, I always go again in the front just to make sure that it's not too harsh. Even though I love a structured brow, I don't want it to look too crazy in the front, you know what I'm saying? Now I just clean up my eyebrows with some concealer. I'm using the Super Stay Concealer by Maybelline. And to clean up my brows, I use this brush that Josh got me. It's a Harry Potter brush, so I don't really know where you can get it, but as you can see, it's super thin. So I like to clean up my eyebrows with it because it makes it just really easy and precise. And I just start at the arch and clean up the end and then go to the front. And I don't fully blend it out yet. I just like to clean it up and then I'll blend it out at the end. And then I don't do anything to the top only because I go in with my foundation. So if I do clean it up, I'll clean it up with foundation on the top. And that is my brow. As you guys can see, that is my quick and easy brow routine using some, you know, not so common products. I don't really know or see a lot of people using hairspray anymore, but I love it. It just really makes my brows look so good, and I get a lot of compliments on my brows, especially recently, and I know it's because I'm using this hairspray. So I know it might seem a little bit weird, but trust me, okay? And this is the AUUSIE one. You can use whatever hairspray you want. This is the one flexible hold. That's why it's not like super crunchy, because it's super, super flexible, but it's still hairspray. So it still sticks down and like holds everything in place, which I really, really like. I just wanted to film my brow routine because I've got asked before to film it and I wanted to do a recent one anyways. So here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. And I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye!